Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I'm just going to do a quick video just showing you how I use apple cider vinegar for my skin routine. This is just some old pictures last year of when I had a horrible breakout and I used apple cider vinegar, and so now I use it all the time. It's a very inexpensive way to take care of your skin, and it has great results. So let's go on and get started. I'll show you how to do this. So to get started, all you need is distilled water and apple cider vinegar. This is the brand I use, is the Bragg's Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. You can use any brand just as long as it says the mother on the bottle. That's all that matters. It doesn't matter what brand. So just shake it up really well. I use a 1 to 2 part ratio or 1 to 3 part. So basically I just put about 1 ounce in this bottle. This is a 4 ounce bottle. So I put 1 ounce and then I just fill the rest up with the distilled water. This ratio works very well for me. It's not too harsh on the skin. You can also add an essential oil just to help with the smell. Apple cider vinegar has its own unique smell, but that is completely optional. I did not have lavender oil today, so I used my witch hazel toner. I just put a little bit in there. It is completely optional. You do not need this. All you need for the toner is water and the vinegar. So once that's in there, just shake it up really well, mix it, and it's ready to use. You can just apply it on your cotton ball and use it on your face. This vinegar or toner is awesome because it helps to cleanse your skin, tighten your skin, more importantly, protect it from bacteria and other impurities. So go on and try it out. Let me know how you like it. And I will see you on my next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.